changes I'd like to make, but won't ever move in fear of mistake. It's pushing me too far and I'll break, but if that's what it's going to take, then I'll keep strong for you. If your words are true, then it'll be just us two, and I know what to do. Don't throw away your fears, keep them close and use them, turn them into hopes and dreams. You never know until you try, so don't be afraid to make the changes. These reasons and seasons keep on moving while I'm standing still with my stupid grin, obeying my own will. Don't throw away your fears, keep them close and use them, turn them into hopes and dreams. You never know until you try, so don't be afraid to make the changes. This keeps on moving right over, and I know exactly when this will end. Turn around and just look me in the eyes, tell me I'm not your friend. We could be something so beautiful, but you're too afraid. I know I'm trying to attract your attention and win over your stone cold heart, and I know shooting arrows in the dark will guarantee a miss, and I'll be oh so pissed when I can't work up the courage to tell you how much you mean to me, and share my feelings and wear them on my sleeve. Don't throw away your fears, keep close and use them, turn them into hopes and dreams. You never know until you try. Don't throw away your fears, keep them close and use them, turn them into hopes and dreams. You never know until you try.